The journey of 1,000 miles to stardom starts with small, bulging steps on the ramp. But this too it has begun.
I think she has a very royal approach when you look at her. She is classy, she is elegant and she is strong, and I think that's why we kept a trail, because that's something she could carry on.
Done an outstanding job, not just with the kids but the grown-up kid also. Actually, this experience started in the morning. First it started with my darling Nishka telling us that I'd like both your daughters to work with you. So I said my little one is actually only 2.5 years old. I don't know if I can get her on the ramp, but I'll try. And then she brings this adorable outfit and she says she's going to make these little puppets sit on her head, and I said, you know, it's irresistible. So I asked Elisa if she'd like to do it, and she says, I get to dance? So I said, yeah, you get to dance. So she agreed. This outfit came as it was, and so did the other two princesses, and we said it's perfect. I mean, there's literally no other alterations done to it, which is a huge compliment to the designer.
She's wearing a burnt orange dress. I have never seen her in a lot of colors.
Yes.
And I really wanted her to have a fun colored dress because it's a kids show. And it's a lot of embroidery, patchwork of different things put together. It's what I love doing, and it's what I thought would look lovely on her.
And she explained it to me, and I learnt it for the first time. This is kalamkari work with kachi. Well, you missed another thing because I was so busy holding the babies. You missed this. This was my favorite part. Isn't that beautiful? It was really very special. Today is memorable because in my life it will come down as a day when my second daughter, Alisa, made her debut on the ramp. And what is magical, you know, is that my elder daughter, Renee, she debuted with Nita Lula's show. And Alisa debuted with Nishka Lula. So I think life comes a full circle. You know, I was thinking to myself the other day, कि मैं 18 साल की थी when I won Miss Universe for India. I'm exactly double of that now. I'm 36. And at 36, it's time that another big moment in my life arrives. So I promise you, 2012, something really big is going to happen. You know, I have to tell you something about the franchise. If I want my daughters to participate ever in the I Am She competition to go for Miss Universe, I'll have to give up the franchise first. Otherwise, my children are not allowed to participate.
I think it feels amazing to do a grand finale, first of all. It feels too good because I have Shishmita walking for me today with her daughter, so it's a very emotional moment.
I was standing backstage with Nishka and watching them on the monitor. I couldn't believe the pivot, the turn, the pout, the smile. All of your parents should be very proud of the way you've been raised. Incredibly, fabulously well done. Oh, no, and better yet, my daughter reminded me that she was perfect and that I actually tripped on stage. She said, see, I did it perfectly, but Mama actually tripped on stage. So I was telling her the night before that it's okay to trip. It's how you pull yourself back up and walk that's important. So in case, Renee, anything goes wrong, put on a smile and keep walking. It's all right. So she said, did you do that? Because you're the one that tripped. So I was like, yeah, I did that. And I also did that.